What's up, YouTubers? Here to show you a real quick trick in order not to lose your hubcaps. You avoid having your wheels look like this with one simple trick. So if you have hubcaps on your wheel, best thing you could do is just take some zip ties and put it around your wheel, cut it off, and that way you'll never lose your hubcaps. This is a great tip, especially if you're losing them on cars that don't get screwed in, just get pushed in. This is the #1 way to preserve your hubcaps. Go ahead and find yourself a zip tie as such, preferably this length. And then simplest thing you're going to do is line up your zip tie so that it comes through the right way. I'm not going to go ahead and lock it, but I'm going to show you the general idea of what you're doing. So you're putting it through the wheel itself, the metal part right over here. You're going to go ahead and show you the rest of the procedure. It's pretty self-explanatory, but you're going to go ahead and pull through the other side. And obviously, since I'm holding the phone, I can't close the zip tie. But if you go ahead and put the zip tie through and then lock it in, probably one up top over here and one on the bottom will be enough to preserve your hubcap from falling off. This is a perfect example of what it should look like after you've properly trimmed it and put it in the right spot. The smaller zip tie, you have less cutting to do. 2 corners are enough in order to hold the hubcap. Thanks for watching. Once again, like, share, subscribe. See you on the next one.